Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm back to do a enveloping from the folks over at CSR Collectibles. And what is this big one that I got? If you know the size and familiarities, whatever, you get what it is. But let's open it up and see what's inside. Like right now, let's open it up. Alright folks, and here it is. What is in that envelope? A 11 by 17 signed autograph of the movie poster from Creepshow 2 from the character of Randy, played by Daniel Beard in this segment of Creepshow 2. Yes. So yeah, the next time there's an event, I'm going to have Tom Savini sign this, and including the actress. I know her. She was in the James Bond movie as Mary Goodnight, and she appeared in other projects. Yeah, Lois Choice, if I said her name right, and also the makeup effects artist, actor, and director, Tom Savini. The next time I see him, I'm going to have him sign this. So yeah, this is what I got, folks. Creepshow 2. And the famous tagline, when the curtain goes up, the terror begins. Very, very cool. And of course, it was directed by Michael Kornick. Yeah, you already know how it is. And plus, this is Beckett authenticated. The poster's Beckett, because they saw the actor sign it. And of course, it was distributed by the folks over at New World Pictures. Yeah, Creepshow 2, ladies and gentlemen. What is there not to love about this movie? And the first one. Look at that carefully, folks. I'm going to have to give you a better angle when at the end of this video. So yeah, let's give a shout out to CSR Collectibles, Creepshow 2, Daniel Beer. Shout outs to you as well. And let's also give a shout out to that thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shout outs to you all. And if you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified when new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate the thumbs ups. Have any opinions related to the content of the video, comment down below. So yeah. And plus, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the afternoon hours or the early evening hours. I wouldn't post no later than, I would not post any videos late. Or it depends on what is what. So yeah, keep an eye on the YouTube community. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Wednesday, y'all. And later.